This is the Jabra EVOLVE2 65 and it has a very big fundamental flaw. Watch the video till the end to find out what that flaw really is. To my regular viewers, welcome back, and if this is the first time you have clicked on a video of mine, I am Untitled Talks, and on this channel we keep technology simple. So if you are interested in keeping tech simple, then hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my new content.
I just don't want you to miss out.
This review is going to be very critical of this headset, so put your seatbelt on and get ready for the ride. Unboxing this was a joy.
Very happy.
You get this luxurious carry case which will keep the headphones protected. You get this Bluetooth adapter which you must not lose if you want to use this with a laptop. It is very costly to replace if you lose it. You get this USB-C cable for charging the headset. The headset is made of quality materials and I really like them. The headphones are nicely padded and they feel really good on the ears. You can adjust them nicely and it has a very smooth mechanism to adjust them to your head size to get the right fit. The headphones do have a dedicated MS Teams button which you can use to answer an MS Teams call. The volume up, volume down, a Bluetooth on and off button. This headset does have noise cancelling and it's actually very good. The speakers are good on these headphones and the features work really well. To do these voiceovers on my videos, I use the Jabra EVOLVE2, link in the description box below. I was very excited when I got the EVOLVE2 65 and that's when the excitement stopped and the disappointment started. Why would you buy a headset with a microphone? To talk to people, obviously, for other people to actually hear you clearly. And at the cost of £150 for this is not what you get. It seems like that Jabra spent all their R&D on the bells and whistles of noise cancelling, cushioning for headphones and fancy lights to show that you are on a call. This is a very cheap microphone and it is not the quality of a company like Jabra. Cheap! Now, I do own other Jabra products and that's why I went and actually got this. For Jabra, I have got some advice if you are actually watching this video, which you probably aren't. Headphones and headsets with microphones should come with a fantastic microphone, especially at this price. And if you are considering buying this headset, don't waste your time. Spend some time researching and buy one that actually has a good microphone, like the EVOLVE2. I could go on all day about how disappointed I am regarding this microphone.
12 seconds later.
But I won't. I will just stop there and tell you not to buy this piece of rubbish. Do not waste your money. If you have made it this far into the video, then comment Jabra in the comment section and I will give you a thumbs up and reply to all your comments. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then hit that like button as that will help this video reach more people so that they don't end up buying this rubbish product. These two videos I think you will find very useful. The top one is the unboxing and my review of the Jabra Speak 510, which is a fantastic product and I use that personally. The bottom video is the unboxing and my initial thoughts on the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I shoot all my videos on. I have been Untitled Talks and I shall see you in the next one.